me tell you things about Taekwondo. Taekwondo is of Korea, and in Taekwondo, fighting is actually called sparring. Now I'll show you these stuff. First, I'll show you this helmet. This helmet is for putting it in your head and for your head safety. Then this is for like this, in case if someone hit. And then this is the chest guard. And then just put like these things. And then next, it's the gloves. These are for your hands. Like if you're using your bare hands, it won't be that strong. So you need hand security in case if your hands are getting hurt. Those stuff. Ears. Somebody hit your tooth, you can use this for protection. Now I'm ready to use this sparring gear. 3, 2, 1. Ha! 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 Bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share.